What is osmosis? In biology, osmosis is the net movement of water molecules through the membrane, especially from an area of higher water concentration to an area of lower water concentration. We are demonstrating osmosis by putting two potatoes to a water, one with salt and a normal water.
12 hours later.
After 12 hours, the potato in the water with salt got soft and dark spots, and the other potato remains the same.